size of the paper is A3 and the quality of the paper is 170 GSM. This painting is very easy to do for the kids and also for the beginners. Using one flat brush and round brush and few cotton buds, this painting can be done. I used poster colors for this painting. First, by using the scale and pencil, I splitted the entire area of the paper into 4 equal parts. In this painting, I have used the 4 different backgrounds and 4 different leaves of flower for the trees. For the spring season, sky background using sky blue and white. Grass field, I used green, yellow, green and yellow. For all the 4 backgrounds, I used flat brush. For the autumn season, sky background using ultramarine and white. Red, orange and yellow. For the summer season background using sky blue, red, purple and white. Background using white and black. For the ground, I used white and black. Now all 4 backgrounds are ready. Using a brown color, I painted the tree trunk and branches. For the spring season, I used 3 different colors for the tree. This color combination can be anything, but we can choose one as a dark color and one as a medium color and one as a light color. I used red, purple, pink and white. Using a cotton bud, I made the random dots. For the summer season tree leaves, I used green, yellow, green and yellow. For the autumn season, I used red, orange and yellow. For the winter, I used black and white. Try this painting at your home and share your feedback in the comment section. If you like this painting, try to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.